guys are dry now.
Do you want to play the dare game?
Okay. I dare you to eat a chili.
I dare you to eat a lemon. I dare you to do a handstand too.
I dare you to do a handstand. I dare you to pick an apple from the neighbor's apple tree.
Get away from my apples!
I got the apple.
Let's go and trouble the old lady in that house.
Guests, I will eat you up, and I will make you work for me!
Gotcha, my pretty little fox.
We will cook the fox in the fireplace over here!
Rumi? Where are you, sweetie?
Rumi, my kids, they were playing in the backyard with your son and now they're missing. Are they here?
Take a breath. I haven't seen them, but we'll find them.
Mr. Owl, have you seen Rumi? My kitten is missing.
I'm so sorry, I haven't seen her.
I hope she turns up soon.
Hello, police. Can you help me find my kitten? I understand how upset you must be, but please try not to worry. And we will find your daughter, Rumi. My daughter, Rumi, she's missing. She was just playing with Foxy by the park, and now I can't find her. Please, you have to help. Let's not assume anything until we're inside.
Let go of me, you fool! You can't arrest me! The children are staying here!
Tell that to the judge. Now move! You're under arrest!
Don't worry, children. You're safe now. Thank you for bringing my daughter back to me. I'm so glad she's safe and home.
Hold on tight, sweetie. Whee! Faster, Mommy, faster!
kitten! Please, help me find my baby! Hello, Officer Judy. Come and save my kitten. She is lost.
Okay, coming right now.
My kitten was right here.
Look under the crates.
Has anyone seen a small white kitten?
It's okay, little one. You're safe now.
Get in the car.
Next time, do not take children.
I'm sorry, and I missed you so much. Help! Somebody help me! I'm trapped! Please let me out! Don't leave me! Please come back! Don't leave me alone! Oh no! Look! It's a dog! We have to jump now! Hurry! We have to get inside! Faster! Why did you cut my hair? I wanted money to give to the poor children for Christmas. It's okay, I love you.